Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of the text on Google Docs. So first of all, we want to open Google Docs. For opening it, here I'm just going to type something. So you can see that this is the normal size that I had been selected here. So for increasing or decreasing the size, from the top you can see here many options, and here as an option you can see here font size. And on the right side of that, you can see a plus symbol, and on the left side, you can see a minus symbol. From here, from here, if you just need to increase the size, then you can click on the plus symbol, and after that, you're right. You can see that you had been increased the font size, or if you want to decrease it, then click on the minus symbol, and then you're out. You can see that you had been decreased the uh, text size on Google Docs. So this is how you can adjust the font size on Google Docs. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.